Whoa, 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 whoa. Steps echo, bass drum slow. Street lamp flicker, shadows glow. Click of heels, a whisper, go. The devil, he wants your soul. He's smiling sharp with a silver cane. Suit so clean, but it hides a stain. Sign right here, you'll rock and roll. The devil, he wants your soul. The devil wants your soul. Oh yeah, he's tapping to that old Motown flair. Sing it low, sing it slow. Ha ha ha, the devil, he wants your soul. He buys you dreams with a glass of gin. Heaven's out, but hell's got rhythm. You start to groove, lose all control. The devil, he wants your soul. The devil wants your soul. My friend, he'll dance beside you to the end. Sing it loud, let it roll. Ha ha ha, the devil, he wants your soul. Mirror glows with a crimson grin. You see the deal carved deep within. No turning back, the crowd will know. The devil, he wants your soul.
The devil wants your soul tonight.
He's dancing in the pale moonlight.
Sing it deep, don't lose control. Ha ha ha, the devil, he wants your soul.
Sign, don't fall, don't play that role. His rhythm sweet but takes its toll. One last laugh, then fade and fold. He's got your soul.